what it do? All right, so told you we pulled off from the last spot. I said, let's see how this day goes. It's gonna be exciting if y'all saw the last video. And never exciting, it's just always some shit going on. Yes, people, once again, I am here. Trailer repair, you feel me? I gotta get my trailer fixed. No more issues, no more of that. I'm not just gonna keep changing the tires. So what we about to do is, we about to be kicking it here in Atlanta, Georgia, almost pretty much in the middle of nowhere. I was just lucky enough to find this shop right here. Dude, real cool, he told me I could camp out here for the night. So we about to get our stealth camp on, people. So semi-stealth camp, but we camping out, period, though. Until the morning time, where I can get this damn trailer fixed, people. I'll show you the tire and what happened. So let's go check it out. All right, people, so as you guys know, my tires keep blowing out, particularly this same one right here. Now, this guy who's working on it, or who's gonna work on it in the morning, said there's a lot of issues going on here. If you look at this tire, see the threads on it is completely different from this tire. Now, this tire right here is the actual brand new, perfectly good trailer tire for heavy duty loads such as shit like this. Copper pipes that weigh, I think it's like 11,000. And then this rim, he said, is not the right rim. And also, I'm missing the seal for my hub. So we about to get all this fixed in the morning. And we're gonna get back on it. At first I thought it was my deck, maybe my struts or springs, shocks, whatever is on here went out, but it didn't. It wasn't that. It's just bad tires. So, you know, hopefully my mistakes can help anybody out there that's watching, that's just probably getting into hotshot trucking. You know, hopefully this can help you out. Just make sure you always get heavy duty trailer tires. It's the, what are my tires? I think it's 235 by 85 R16s. So yeah, I need the heavy duty stuff, people. And the roadside service that came out did me wrong. They just basically gave me a tire, this one right here, basically just gave me a tire to get me off the road and didn't tell me that this shit would not last. So I did make it all the way from Miami, Florida to Atlanta, Georgia. And now I'm in Georgia and we got to get this whole thing fixed, people. I'm not going through this shit anymore. So all in all, we gonna camp it out tonight and get this right in the morning. So all right, YouTube, so we are here. It's a new day in the morning now. I made it through the night. Had to camp out. You know, I got the back seat, blanket, pillow. I'm good. And we are here at the mechanic shop to get my trailer fixed. Because boy, have I been having issues with this trailer. So, everybody, getting things done. All right, YouTube, so pretty much here, getting the car worked on. The mechanics. I don't know if you can really see, but anyway. So what happened, the mechanic told me was, I got, y'all saw in the other video, tow truck that pulled up on the side of the freeway. He basically just pulled up and gave me like a dummy tire to just get me off the freeway. Didn't tell me this tire ain't gonna last. And you should immediately go straight to another tire shop. So things like this happen. So one thing I want to let you guys know, people, don't trust the roadside service unless you just absolutely stuck and need it, because they are in it for the money, and I mean a lot of it. So yeah, be careful when you call a roadside service. Make sure you absolutely need it, people. So other than that, another video, people. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because there will be a part 2 to this right here for sure when I get back on the road. And I'm headed to Utah. So yeah, about to get back on the road, people. But anyway, another video. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can see more of these videos. And next time, people, deuces.